Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to the session. So, first and the foremost thing we want to mention about iconic cat. In iconic cat, you will have the personal mentor who will be hand holding you, guiding you at every stage to make sure that you crack the examination. The right hand side represents the people who have got 99 percentile in CAT 2020. So you could be the next one. Shivam Chandak, Aditya Gupta, Yatharth Singh, Arkadeep Das, Anusha Biswas, Nitesh Mishra, Shrestha Hari, Piyush Pratik, Nikhil Sharma, Siddharth Malu. All of them have got score of 99 percentile plus. And the left hand side, if you pay attention, you get to see the mentors who are responsible for molding and holding and guiding. They are from the current students who are studying in top B school. So they will be, in a way, aware of what have been the current trends which have been used in the selection process so that your preparation becomes one of the best. Now, speaking about iconic cat, you will have all the benefits of cat. In addition to that, you get the test paper analysis and reports. Uh, you will get a specific help for other management entrance test preparation. And by default, all the benefits of Plus are included. Moving forward, these are the new batches that are starting. First one has started yesterday. It is called Ultimate Weekend Batch 3 for CAT 2021. This has been conducted by Rahul Anand, Abhilasha Swaroop, and Ajinkya Chopra. Exclusive weekday evening batch for CAT 2021 is starting from 3 days from now, that is on 2nd June. This will be headed by Lokesh Agarwal, Bharat Gupta, and Himanshu Das. On 5th June, there will be practice with experts for CAT 2021. This will be taken by Amit Surana, Ronak Shah, and Abhilasha Swaroop. So please make sure that you enroll at the earliest and join the group which suits your timing and the preparation slot in the best way. India's biggest weekly scholarship test for CAT aspirants. Enroll for free, win scholarship from a pool of 55 lakhs. Of course, terms and conditions apply. Take it live from your Android device. CAT Combat, it is happening on every Sunday at 12 noon. All you need to do is you have to scan and enroll. Use the code Anand Kulkarni 1970 in order to participate. The top three ranked will get 1 year CAT subscription. Rank from 4 to 10, they are going to have 75% scholarship. Rank 11 to 50 will be having 50% scholarship, and rank 51 to 200 will have 25% scholarship. So what I suggest is if you are giving the test with lot of sincerity, the chances of you cracking it is very much high. And the rank of 200 is a possibility. Ask a doubt feature. This is one of the best feature that an academy has. There will be an option in your dashboard which says that ask a doubt. Select that, click on that ask a doubt on the screen. Once you click on that, take a picture or choose a picture from the gallery on the screen. Either you can take the picture or you can choose the picture. Then crop the image to highlight the specific question. And finally, select the correct subject to which the question belongs. Once you do it, then you can sit at home and get the solution at your place at the earliest. So these are the few initiatives. I will be reiterating it. First and the foremost thing will be iconic cat. These are the right hand side are the learners who have come out with flying colors. Okay. Uh, you get the personal mentor, test analysis and reports, other management entrance test, and all the other benefits of Plus are included. Get mentored by graduates of top B school. Then these are the 99 percentile. Enroll now. Ultimate weekend batch 3 for CAT 2021, which has started on 29th. That was yesterday. Uh, New batches are coming up on 2nd June and on 5th June. Exclusive weekday evening batch for CAT 2021 and practice with expert for CAT 2021. And that will be taken starting on 5th of June. And India's biggest weekly scholarship test, Unacademy Combat. Use the code Anand Kulkarni 1970. The top rankers. First three will get 1 year CAT subscription. 4 to 10 will get 75% of scholarship. 11 to 50 will be getting 50% scholarship. And 51 to 200 will get 25% of scholarship. Scan in order to enroll. And then ask a doubt feature. This is something which helps you to get your queries solved being at your place. Let's start with an example. Now, in this case, uh, there are two graphs. The one which is on the right side shows students coming from different states to do studies. Let us say that there is a college in North India, it's an university, and it has students coming from the above mentioned states, which are like, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala. Okay. So one of the value is given in terms of degrees, other one is given in terms of percentage. So first and the foremost thing, what we will do is we'll convert all the degrees into percentages. Okay. So Tamil Nadu, what is 108 degrees will be equal to, or rather, Goa, 36 degrees means, just a minute, 36 degrees means 36 divided by 360 into 100. So it is equal to 10%. So the answer is equal to 10%. So keep both the values either in terms of percentage or in terms of degrees. Kerala, 54 degrees. 54 degrees means 54 divided by 360 into 100. So that will be equal to, in terms of percentage, if I cancel out 2 5s are 2 18s are 18 1s are 18 3s are. So it will be 15 percentage. If I look at Karnataka, it is 72 degrees. 72 divided by 360 into 100. So this will be equal to 20%. Finally, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has 108 degrees. 108 degree divided by 360 into 100. So this will be equal to 36 ones are 36 threes are. So it will be 30%. Andhra Pradesh will be 90 divided by 360 into 100, which is equal to 25%. Is it clear to all of you? So first and the foremost thing, we convert the given degrees in terms of percentage. So Karnataka, there are 20% of the students. Tamil Nadu, there are 30% of the students. Andhra Pradesh, there are 25% of the students. Goa, there are 10% of the students. Kerala, there are 15% of the students. So this completes the conversion of degrees into percentages. Remember, number of students is equal to number of seats. That is something which is understood. Are you clear with it? Are you able to understand? Number of students is equal to number of seats available. So let's start with the first question. Are you ready for it? Yeah? Okay. First one. Let me If none of the students from Tamil Nadu and Kerala, nobody from Tamil Nadu or nobody from Kerala are doing engineering, then what is the maximum number of people who do engineering and who are from Karnataka? Go through the question. Nobody from Tamil Nadu and nobody from Kerala are doing engineering. I want to know minimum how many of them should be doing engineering and they must be from Karnataka. So first and the foremost thing is Kerala, nobody is doing. Tamil Nadu, nobody is doing engineering. So is this part clear to you? If this is the case, engineering total number of seats are 40%. I can have all the Goa students going to engineering. Goa, you need 10%. So all the Goa students are going to do engineering. So out of 40%, 30% is substituted. Then you will have entire Andhra Pradesh going for engineering. So then the remaining part will be Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh will be 25%. So out of 40%, 35% is substituted. What is the remaining 5% of the students? And these 5% of the students must be from Karnataka, because out of 5 states, 2 states are anyway not participating in engineering. Nobody from Tamil Nadu or Kerala are going for engineering. So the remaining, I am putting the entire strength from Andhra and Goa to get into engineering. So out of 40%, 35% is substituted. Remaining will be 5%. That 5% must be from Karnataka. So answer is not 5%. Answer is, just a minute. Answer is 5% out of 20%. So that one will be equal to, if I multiply that, 5 out of 20%, 5 ones are 5 fours are, so it will be 25%. So what is the percentage of people out of Karnataka are taking part in engineering? That will be given by a total of 5% out of 25%, means it will be 5% out of 20%. That means it is going to be 25%. Are we clear on this? Able to understand? Shall we go further? Okay. Next. Number of degree courses. Second question is on the screen now. Let me wrap up whatever I have done it. All right. None of the number of degree courses for which students must be from 2 or more regions is at least. Now, if I look at the arrangement, entire medical can be substituted with Andhra Pradesh alone or Karnataka alone. Entire BSc students can be from Tamil Nadu, or they may be from Andhra Pradesh, or they may be from Kerala or Karnataka. Similarly, BCA can be completely substituted from students of mm, you know, it may be from the students of Kerala alone, Karnataka alone, because BSc you need 12%, and we have that strength from Tamil Nadu or Andhra Pradesh or Kerala or Karnataka or Goa. Goa cannot be because Goa is 10%, whereas BCA is 12. So, nevertheless, I can complete one state from all the states independently except Goa. BA, you need 8%, and you can get that 8% from any one of the states. GCOM, when it comes to BCom, you need 18% of the seats, students. That 18% seats or the students can be filled with Tamil Nadu alone, or Andhra Pradesh alone, or Karnataka alone. As in, with one state, I can completely fill the requirement of the seats in one of the state. But engineering, you need 40% of the students. With the help of any single state, it is impossible to meet the requirement. So you need compulsorily student from two different states. Okay, it is impossible to fill the engineering branch with the students of only one state. Are we clear on this? Able to understand? Any doubt? Anything that you want me to repeat? Shall we go ahead with the next one? Okay. None of the students who are taking up BA are from Tamil Nadu. If nobody takes Tamil Nadu, then with Tamil Nadu people, how many states or how many degrees I can have all the students of Tamil Nadu? Tamil Nadu percentage is 30 degrees, or sorry, 30%. There are 30% of the students available in Tamil Nadu. So how many states can be filled with Tamil Nadu alone? Now, when I look at sorry, BSc, you need 5% of the students. I can have the entire 5% filled with students of Tamil Nadu. So I can have the entire batch comprising of students of Tamil Nadu. Similarly, BCA or BA, BA again, of course, there is that question. Just a minute. So BA can be completely filled. BA anyway, students are not doing BA. Tamil Nadu kids are not doing BA. So 5% are Tamil Nadu. 12% can I fill it from Tamil Nadu? Yes, I can. So 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 plus 8, no, 18. It will be uh, 35, but I have 30%. So there are two departments which can be completely filled with students of Tamil Nadu. For example, it may be Bachelor of Science with Bachelor of Computer Appliances, or it may be BCA and BCom or it may be BSc and BCom. But at the max, two of the departments can be completely filled with students of Tamil Nadu. Is that clear to you? Able to understand? Okay. The next one. If at maths 25% of the students are any state take up BCom, then the number of states having students taking up BCom is at least, if at most 25% of the students from any state take BCom. BCom, I need 18% of the, sorry, BCom, I need 18%. Now, when I consider, I want minimum number of students, definitely I will take Tamil Nadu into consideration. Why Tamil Nadu into consideration? Because Tamil Nadu 30%, that means 7.5%. How I got 7.5%? Is taking 30% and getting 25% of it. That will be equal to the answer will be 7.5%. So 7.5% of the students are from Tamil Nadu. Andhra Pradesh will be 25%. I will take 1/4 of it, which will be equal to 6.25. 6.25%. So 7.5, 6.25%. So 13.75. So I need another, how many students? 5% of the students. So when I take this one, Karnataka, here 20% is the class strength and quarter of it will be equal to 5%. So with this, my requirement for 18% will be taken care. So I need minimum of 3 states or 3 most populous states in order to have the total becoming 18%. So in order to make sure that BCom is taken care from 3 states with the condition that the students are from 3 minimum number of states, take the states where the population is maximum. So where the population is maximum, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. So if I take 25% from each of the states, then the total will be equal to 18%. Is that clear? Let's go for the next one. If at least 10% of the students from all the states are taking up HR. So let's look at this question. I'm going to first clean up whatever I have written. So now, first and the foremost, if it is given that at max 25% of the people from any of the states, sorry, 10% of the students from each state are opted for BCom. So, uh, number of students taking BCom is at the most. So, BCom, I need 18%. So, I'm getting that 3% from Tamil Nadu because 10%, then Andhra 2.5, then Goa 1%, Kerala 1.5%, and Karnataka 2%. If I add the total, it comes out to be 10%. So 10% is anyway given by each of the state. Now how much more percentage left? Another 8%. Okay, another 8%. So which shade should I give so that the student population will be highest? Obviously give it to Goa because Goa, the share is small. When I give 8% to Goa, the percentage weightage will be the highest. So this completes today's session. I wish you all the best and let's meet up soon.